Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this Xiaomi through Bluetooth. Firstly, open settings and tap on Bluetooth right away. Then click on the switcher next to it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to, like this Realme. Now wait for the pop-up to show up and select pair. After that, wait for this device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always unpair them by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!